All right, so we're going to cover the tailgate now, feeder, pole, the address, first aid kit, it's passenger side, first bin. 13 kV circuit, 15061. I copy that, I reported on that E-lot number 1C Charlie 01486 at pole 4747. I'll go ahead and open up all three phases, isolate and tag with that E-lot number. And now what the lineman's doing is going up and he's going to test or de-energize, make sure all the wires are de-energized for safety of the lineman on the ground and in the air. He's going to use a noisy tester, which sends a signal off and lets our lineman know if it's de-energized or not. Once he's certain that it's de-energized, he's going to put rubber cover up, which he has already done with a rubber blanket. He's going to install his ground onto the neutral wire, which is the return wire or ground for our system. He applies the ground and turns the ground on to tighten it onto the conductor. That makes a bond between the ground and the conductor. Once he has added the ground to the conductor, he's going to go ahead and prepare to pull the wire up. Currently, the ground hand is using a hand line. It is a rope through a pulley that's at the top of the work site. He's going to put the jack on the rope and he's going to raise the jack up to the lineman. It's imperative for the lineman to coordinate with the ground hands so everyone's safe on the job. The lineman right now is applying the sleeve. The sleeve is essentially a finger trap. The wire goes into the end of the wire, into the sleeve. Sleeve snatches the wire inside and it will not come off. Now the ground hand is going to remove the limbs with an insulated stick. He's going to make sure that he wears his rubber gloves at all times on the conductor. Once the fault is clear, he will go ahead and apply the grip that's on the end of the hand line to the wire and pull the wire up to the lineman. As he pulls the wire up to the lineman, he is cautious to make sure that he doesn't make any contact with any other conductor. Now the lineman installs his grips from the jack that he installs onto the grip. He's going to put the wire into the sleeve, and the sleeve will grab the wire internally, and the wire will not come back out of the sleeve. That is how we put the wires back up in the air. Safety is paramount when it comes to Pepco.